I know about defeating giant bats? Absolutely nothing!
Hey, Flatface! Let's see how you feel about your odds. Heard of fighting fire with fire? Same goes for fighting bats with bats! And that's out of the park! Okay, batting didn't work. Maybe it's time to do some pitching. Give up? I don't know why I even bother asking.
There's no use running away, child. Your grandfather was just the start. Soon, I'll have everyone on Earth turned into an animal. Then, finally, I'll be the most important person on Earth, and everyone will have to notice me.
So you feel like nobody notices you?
That's exactly how I feel.
Well, here, why don't you have a seat and we can talk about it?
And stay down! A hidden power? Bad Bat! Bad, but luckily not so smart. Okay, punching's still a go. Crystalling, not so much. Huh? What? I cracked? Diamondhead's not supposed to crack. I'm in such a mess right now. Grandpa? There you are! It's a lot harder to be mad at you when you're a chicken. Look, I don't even know if you can hear me, but I don't know what to do here. Gwen's in trouble, you're a chicken, that bat can shatter me with his screams, and I'm gonna time out soon. What should I do? Grandpa, are you there? Oh, I guess all your advice wasn't so bad after all.
My parents were never proud of me, and I probably say my evil plans out loud because I secretly want to get caught. Using your psychoanalysis to distract me, huh? Oh, you're good.
Hey, you really think I'm good?
Too good.
What about that distraction over there?
What on earth are you... All right, I deserve that.